In this video, you will learn about although, though, and even though. This topic is a part of conjunctions. As learned earlier, conjunctions are words which connect the main sentence and the extra information to complete a sentence. For example, Jay came first in class because he studied hard. Or, the children were talking until the teacher came. Or, it is hard to manage kids while working from home. Let us look at a few more conjunctions. Although is used to introduce an idea which is different than the rest of the sentence. For example, Tina came second in class, although she didn't study. This sentence means that Tina did not study but still managed coming second in class. You can begin the sentence with although and separate the extra information with a comma. For example, although the manager is short-tempered, she is liked by her team. This sentence means that the manager is short-tempered, but her team likes her. Though is the same as although. For example, Tina came second in class though she didn't study. Or, though the manager is short-tempered, she is liked by her team. You can add emphasis to the sentence by adding even before the word though. For example, even though Tina didn't study, she came second in class. Or, even though the manager is short-tempered, she is liked by her team. Although, though, and even though can be used interchangeably in a sentence, though it is more common in informal speech. Now you know how although, though, and even though are used as a conjunction in a sentence.